Well, well, well. My name's Yusuf. I hate tech. And we just got the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. How? We got the boy. The Ultra. We pre-ordered this and we actually got it. And you guys will be one of the first people to ever see it because it's not even out yet. It's not even out. Yusuf's got a big brain right now. He'd be working on this, bro. So the question is, when am I going to unbox it? And guess what? We're going to unbox it right now. Right here. Right now. We are not... Oh, nice. And we're not going to be wasting any time. Let's start unboxing it right now. Let's do this. So, I don't want you guys to see my details, so I'm just going to, like, do it like that. Yeah. That was scary, okay? But anyway, thank you guys for watching the video today. Underrated creator, I must say. Oh, we should do the peel. Oh my goodness, we're doing the peel. Shh, 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 shh. Listen, listen, listen. Other than my dad's snoring, but listen. What am I doing? Anyway. Holy guacamole. Yeah. Ready? This was $3,000, so you better subscribe. Better. I'll be making videos about this, but you better subscribe. Come on, peel. This is my first non-edited video. It's time, boys. I'm gonna let you guys have the first peek, because I love you more. Can you see it? Oh, here it is. It's my dad's phone, but like, oh my goodness. I'm in shock. I can't believe we actually got this. We'll be getting a S27 when it comes out, so make sure you subscribe when that comes out, you know? But we're not caring about that right now. We're looking at this peel. For the peel of a lifetime. I quit. I'm joking. I don't quit. So, for the first time, let's fold the Z Fold 8 Ultra. What am I doing? Amazing. Don't we have to peel the front off? I don't even own a phone, so... Okay. But my question is, what's the crease? Can you see the crease on this? You can't see the crease. What's the crease? You know, I see a lot of creators do this. A lot of creators. Should we do a bend test? My dad's sleeping right now. No, I'm not going to. We spent 3K, I didn't, but we spent 3K on this. Okay, hold on. This is cool. I'm going to make a bunch of videos about this, clip from all this, bro. Let's do that. Put the back. Let's yeah. Let's sit there for a bit. Anything else that comes in the box? I cut it, I think. Maybe. Okay, so it comes up with this like little package. We can look at that now. Yusuf can't open boxes. Should that be the new name for the channel? You want that as the new name for the channel? Alright, let's see what comes with this. USB Type-C. I'm telling you, we need to change all of them to USB-C. It's not the USB, USB-C. Now, what's with this? Wait, what? Did we just... I'm sorry, I'm looking. We got Samsung Care for free. Samsung Care for free. Did we just get it for free? I would take it, I mean. This is like SIM instructions, warranty card. So maybe we did get app. And this is the pen. Is that it? We spent $3K and that's it? Okay. Okay, surely there's more into the box. Better bend that, bro. Nothing else in the box. Is that it? We spent $3K. That's it. But I mean, I'm not complaining. Like, you can. I can't even open this, but you can just like work on them. This is really good. I love this. There's the standard 8, which is like a square, but this looks good. Jerry Riggs Everything probably made a video about this, and he's probably killing it right now, literally. Ooh. Anyway, subscribe. I'm gonna be making videos about this. Spamming right now, but subscribe. Yeah. Okay. Now we gotta leave this. We gotta put this phone in the bin. Now we got the 8 Ultra Flip. Oh no, it's not the Flip. It's the Fold.